Hello po, isasama ko po kayo ulit today. After shift, nanood kami ng Conjuring the Last Rites ng partner ko sa may Robles Piñas. Their tickets are at 45% off, kaya malaki ang matitipid nyo. Until September 15 lang po ang promo na yan. Now, all throughout the movie, mas marami pa akong tinawa kasi sa natakot ako. Kasi ang lakas tumili ng lalaki sa likod ko, mas malala pa sa girlfriend niya. Isisingit ko din pala yung bag na to kasi on my last video, hindi ako aware na putol pala yung reels kasi hindi ako aware na 2 minute lang siya. So here's the bag. Isn't she lovely? So right after Rob, nagpunta kami ng Evia kasi may hinahanap akong shoe. Yung collab ng Puma tsaka ni Rose, yung may lace. Kasi ang lagi ko lang nahahanap ay yung Speed Cat pero yung kay Rose hindi ko mahanap sa mga physical store. And to no surprise, hindi ko din naman siya nahanap dito sa Evia. So let's not dwell on things na hindi natin mahanap. Instead, I'll share to you a spot here in Evia that I really love the most. So, the spot is giving apocatherapy or fairy vibe. Medyo pricey nga lang yung place pero kasama naman natin siya kaya okay lang yan. And nga pala, this place is not safe from flood control project kasi tignan nyo, bumabaha yung hagdanan nila. Pero yung baha nila dito may pabulaklak, tsaka may pa bubbles and malinis yung tubig nila. Anyways, going back dun sa Cheesecake Fairy spot na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, they have variations, and when I say variation, they have a lot of it. When it comes to cheesecakes, they have red velvet, chocolate burnt, plus may fairy dust pa. So if you're a girly like me na mahilig mag-journal, or may ginagawang project, and you need a space na tahimik, pero gusto mo din na accessible yung cakes and coffee, this is a perfect spot. So after all this, na uwi na lang kami nang walang dalang shoe. Kasi nga, hindi naman namin mahanap. Well, maybe it's not for me. Pero thank you so much for staying and for watching this video. Bye-bye!